Hello students, welcome to Sentence Online classes. Students, we are working from home. So now let us look at the question number 2 of exercise 8.2. So in this question we have been asked that find the coefficient of a raised to the power 5 and b to the power 7 in this expansion. Okay. So first of all, I am just writing down the general term of this expansion. So general term of a minus 2b to the power whole 12. So TR plus 1 is equals to, that is NCR a to the power n minus r into b to the power r. So for this, that would be equals to n is 12, 12CR, a is a to the power 12 minus r dot b is 2b. So 2b to the power r. Okay. So for what we have asked, the coefficient of a to the power 5 and b to the power 7. So for a to the power 5 and b to the power 7, put 12 minus r equals to 5 and b to the power r, it means r equals to 7. So from both sides, as you can see that we are getting r equals to 7. So we have got the r equals to 7. So now t7 plus 1, it means t8, 8 term, in 8 term we will get 8 to the power 5 and b to the power 7. So t8 would be 12c, but r is 7, 12c7 into a to the power 12 minus r means 12 minus 7, it means a to the power 5 into 2 to the power r, it means 2 to the power 7 into b to the power r, it means b to the power 7. So can I write like 12c7 into 2 to the power 7 into a to the power 5 into b to the power 7, that is t8. So coefficient of a to the power 5 and b to the power 7 is, so coefficient of a to the power 5 into b to the power 7 is 12c7 into 2 to the power 7. Answer. Very easy question. So when you know the formula for general term, you can easily find coefficient of any term, the required any term, middle term, you can easily find out. Okay. So now please pause the video and note it down. Now look at the question number 3 and 4. You will solve it by your own. You have to just simply write the general term in the question. Now question number 5. Question number 5. This is find the fourth term in the expansion x minus 2y to the power 12. Okay. This is the question. We have to find the fourth term. So general term is equals to what? TR plus 1 is equals to NCR a to the power n minus r into b to the power r. So in this case, n is 12, c, r we have to find, a is x to the power 12 minus r into b is minus 2y, so minus 2y to the power r. Okay. Isn't it? Now we have to find what? Find the fourth term. So as I have told you earlier, when we have to find any term, we have to write it in the form of plus 1. So 4t4, it means, can I write it like t3 plus 1? Okay. So here 3 is the value of r. So now put over here. So that would be 12c3 x to the power 12 minus 3 means 9 into minus 2y to the power 3. So that would equal 12c3 x to the power 9 minus 8y cube, or I could say minus 8y cube 12c3 x to the power 9. That is the fourth term of this expansion. We have to leave it in the general form only. I hope it's clear. So please pause the video and note it down. In similar way, you can find any term, 13th term, 20th term. So all the question where only term has been asked, I will leave it to you. You can solve it by your own. Okay. Now we will solve question number 7. Question number 7, I will solve the question number 8. 7th you will solve it by your own. So in this question, we have to find the middle term. Find the middle term. Okay. And the question is, the expansion is x upon 3 plus 9y to the power 10. This is the expansion. Of this expansion, we have to find middle term. First of all, index equals to 10. So odd number odd number of terms will be there in expansion. Okay, so whenever we have n number would be n equals to 10 plus 1, it means we have 11 terms in the expansion. So middle term would be equals to what? Middle term equals to what? N plus 1 upon 2th term. It means what? 11 plus 1, 12 upon 2, it means what? 6th term. So 6th term is the middle term of this expansion. So 6th term means T5 plus 1 equals to what? NCR a to the power n minus r and b to the power r. So n is 10, c r is 5, 10 c5 into a is x upon 3 to the power n minus r, it means 10 minus 5, 5 into b is 9y to the power 5. So that is our middle term. No need to solve it further. It's enough in this form. Okay, I hope it's clear. Okay, so I will solve the question number 7 as well. Now please pause the video, note it down. In the 7th question we have given the expansion 3 minus x cube upon 6 to the power 7. We have to find the middle term of this expansion as well. So index n is equals to 7. Then number of terms capital N is equals to n plus 1. It means what? 8 terms. It means even. Whenever we have even term, so we will have two middle terms. So middle terms would be, so now middle term, but that would be n upon 2h and n upon 2h plus 1h term. It means what? 8 upon 2 means what? 4th term, and next to the 4th, 5th term. So 4th and 5th terms are the middle terms. Now you have to find T4 and you have to find T5. You can easily find T3 plus 1 and T4 plus 1. Similar to the previous question, you can easily solve it. Okay, now I'm just leaving it up to you from here. Solve it. Please pause the video and note it down. Now look at the question number 9. Question number 9 says that in the expansion of 1 plus a to the power m plus n, prove that coefficients of a to the power m and a to the power n are equal. Okay, so this is the expansion and we have to prove that coefficient of a to the power m and a to the power n are equal. So general term would be beta what? General term TR plus 1, that would be equals to NCR. So at the place of n we have m plus n, so that would be m plus n CR a to the power, it means 1 to the power, whatever we'll have doesn't matter, into b to the power r. So here at the place of b we have a, so a to the power r. This is the general term. Now for the coefficient of a to the power m, and this side for coefficient of a to the power n. So for a to the power m, I need to put r equals to m, then only I will get a to the power m, and here put r equals to m. So coefficient of that would be equals to what? So coefficient of a to the power m. Beta, when we will put r equals to m, then coefficient would be what? M plus n c m. That would be equals to what? M plus n c m, because at the place of r I have put m, and here coefficient of a to the power n, that would be equals to m plus n c n. Now solve it. So we all know the formula for that, m plus n factorial upon m factorial and m plus n minus m factorial. Similarly here it would be m plus n factorial upon n factorial, m plus n minus n factorial. So here m will be cancelled out, here n will be cancelled out. So we will have m plus n factorial upon m factorial, and here n factorial. Same here, m plus n factorial upon n factorial into m factorial. Are these two equal? These two are equal. Hence, coefficient of a to the power m is equals to coefficient of a to the power n. Now please pause the video and note it down. I hope it's clear.